Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. I just entered a long position on Euro USD and I'm going to walk you through the complete analysis and execution. So this is a trend line breakout with retest setup on 4-hour time frame. This is a trend line breakout setup. So if you're new here, I document real trades with real analysis, wins and losses. So hit that subscribe button for more setups like this. Alright, let's start with 4-hour time frame. This is where I identified the setup. As you can see, Euro USD has been trading within this descending trend line for many days. Look at these rejection points: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So minimum we need to have 3 touches to have a validated trend line. Each test of this trend line resulted in rejection, maintaining the downtrend structure. The market consistently recognized this level as resistance, creating a reliable technical formation. So price broke above the trend line. This breakout candle closed well above the line. When a trend line with multiple validated touches breaks, it signals a potential shift in market structure. Now let's switch to the 1-hour time frame. After the breakout, my strategy required a retest entry. This provides confirmation and optimal risk-reward positioning. Following the initial break, price retraced back toward the broken trend line. This pullback is what I'm waiting for. The market testing whether the breakout level will now function as support. And here is my entry trigger. This bullish engulfing candle at the retest zone. Price pulled back to test the trend line and buyers defended this level with strength. This candle closed strongly with a full body and minimal lower wicks. So this is my entry point on the close of this candle. So the breakout is validated, the retest confirmed level flip, and the bullish candle provides directional confirmation. So the trade is active. Let's see how this plays out. So the take profit is hit at this previous resistance zone. Let's analyze the factors that contributed to this outcome. Number 1, trendline validator. 4 touches over 1 week long period confirmed this trend line as market recognized resistance level with consistent price reactions. Number 2, breakout structure. The breakout candle displayed full body structure closing well above the trend line. And the number 3, the retest pattern, the pullback to the broken trend line allowed the market to establish this level as new support. The retest provides high probability entry compared to chasing the initial breakout. And number 4, we have a bullish reaction candle. This engulfing bullish candle at the retest showed clear defense of the level. And number 5, entry precision. Entering on the retest rather than the breakout provides superior risk reward. So that's the complete analysis of the trend line breakout and retest trade of this Euro USD trade. The retest strategy provide confirmation that the breakout is legitimate while offering improved risk reward compared to the breakout entry. The key is patience, waiting for the pullback and confirmation candle before entry. This discipline separates high probability setup from impulsive trades. If you want more live trade analysis, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I share trade setups, technical analysis, and market insights in my private group. Link is in the description if you're interested. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.